Yeah, man, I recently started actually doing something new.
For real? It's about time. What is it?
Apple picking. That should be a rush sometimes.
You gotta go.
Nah, boy.
What? You get the wrong one by accident?
Worm might come out, like you never know. Yeah, it's unusual. Bro, you only do that in the fall or some shit.
I mean, shit.
We go all year round over here. That's crazy.
You said only 4, but that's crazy. Crazy.
Oh my, that boy tired.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Ooh, nah. Yeah, they don't care.
What the fuck? No one's gonna say bless you, bro.
Who's sneeze?
Boy.
What?
Oh, my bad. I'll get you next time, bro. I didn't hear it.
Well, he's lying.
Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Whoa, bro, you coughing?
Huh? Oh, no, I'm chilling.
Shit, I thought I heard it.
Yeah, you better start swinging.
Hey, appreciate it.
Oh, he looking locked in.
Am I seeing this?
Yeah. Oh, he forced that one. What is this?
Oh, Lord.
Get off the shit.
Bro, what you doing? Yo.
Tonic. Get off. Hold on, bro. It's gonna hurt, bro. Hold on. No, put this down, bro. Put this down. Yeah.
Bless me, nigga. Hold on.
A little louder.
Bless me.
Get off my legs.